I'm an international student with a busy schedule, but thanks to my Movin e-bike, I have an easy time to earn money and commute to school. Many students like me use Movin e-bikes, and it gives me the confidence that they make good products. My e-bike has a long-range dual battery so I can work all day without needing to charge. The tires on my e-bike are spokeless and puncture resistant, so I don't have to worry about flat tires. My e-bike is durable and I can use it in all seasons, which saves me money on repairs. Whenever I have a problem, I can visit the Movin store in downtown Toronto. They have a great 2-year warranty, treat me like family, and are open every day to help me with anything I need.